Hey, it's Garrick. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I do videos on modifying my Tesla Model Y. I do Tesla accessory reviews and of course anything tech. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be reviewing the new license plate holder from EVBASE. If you live in a state that requires a front license plate, you're responsible in installing the OEM license plate holder when you pick up your brand new Model 3 or Model Y. Now, the problem that I see is that every license plate holder I see out there are either slanted or off-centered. So with this EVBASE license plate holder, it's going to solve that. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox it, we're going to put it together, and we're going to install it. All right, let's go check it out. All right, so here's the box. Unfortunately, it's a little damage, came from the shipping, but that's okay. But overall, let's take a look. All right, got some cover here, foam cover there. We have some instructions. And we have here the license plate bracket, which is not cheap plastic. This actually has some metal to it, which is great. We got some bolts. We got the key. And of course, we have the license plate holder. Okay. Looks like we got a screwdriver, which is actually a pretty good screwdriver. It doesn't look like a cheap one. Great to leave inside your car after you're done installing it. All right, perfect. So we have 4 screws here. These 4 screws are going to screw the license plate holder to the bracket. And then this one here, looks like we got an extra one. And this one here is going to be the holding your license plate directly onto the bracket itself. So what we're going to do is just get this installed first. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that, we're going to drop the bolt in here. Okay. And then you're going to take the lug nut and you can tighten it. And you can use a screwdriver to make it tighten as well, okay? And we're gonna do it for all 4. And then you have these little caps that you're just gonna cover this, push that in there so it'll protect the screw so nobody can see your license plate. So that's what we have there. Now, for this part, what we're going to do here is we're going to add this on, and we're going to screw on these bolts. All right, cool. So the knob system here is going to allow you to help install the unit. So by going right, turning the knob to the right, as you can see here, this has expanded. And if you go to the left, it reduces. And the reason why it does that is because it's going to hold on to the grill and then to the position that you like. So when you use the key, that will lock it and you're not going to be able to spin it, so no one's going to be able to steal your license plate or your bracket off the car. All right, so let's get this installed. So I actually had the bracket on a different way. Originally I had it flipped, but it actually doesn't matter because it's up to you how you want it. You can have the license plate higher or you can have the license plate lower. So I switched it, and I did that for a reason because I do have a camera here. And if I put this on, okay, if I do put this on here, as you can see, it's locked in place. I do have one of my plates. Place it here. So you see the cameras there. The license plate holder is not going to block the camera. So this actually works really, really well if you have one of these cameras. So I have the HANSSHOW H6 set up here. And now we can have a camera and have the license plate. So that's going to be a huge plus there. The great thing about the setup is that if you want to take your license plate off, loosen it up, take it out, or put it back in, and you're mounted, you're good to go. This is definitely an easy setup, as you saw. And then you can see here, there's actually plenty of space on the gap here, so you're good to go in protecting your vehicle. All right, so if you're in the market for a license plate holder, definitely check out EVBASE. As you can see here, you can see the camera. It's not being blocked, so that's gonna be a home run there for you if you're planning or if you already have a camera system in your front bumper. Now, I will have the link in my description along with my discount code GARRICK-ish if you're looking to save some money. You can also use the discount code on all the accessories that's available online. So that's a huge plus there. All right, everybody, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like the video. And on top of that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If there's any questions, anything that you want me to review, don't forget to leave a comment below. All right, everybody, be safe, and I'll catch you on the road.